Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video I'm just going to show you a couple new ads we've got from B&M and MORRISONS. A couple ones that's certainly worth having a look at, always worth checking your indoor plant section as well. But we'll just jump to showing you those now. So right here in front of us is the Cryptomium fortunei. Now this is a var caulicola, so it's a slightly more compact version of this plant. Now you can get the Cryptomium fortunei ferns in B&M at the moment, £6.50. Great bargain on these. Now these are evergreen and hardy down to minus 15C, so a great little one to kind of pair with your standard ferns. Again, something slightly different. Does get around about 60 centimeters tall and more of a clump forming plant. But again, I do like how it kind of fits in here. We've got a lot of leaf drop, as you can see. Just next to that's your little 6-inch Dixonia antarctica. Not one that you can get in B&M at the moment, but it is popping a new frond alongside this one. So if you've been following the channel, you may have seen this is just a kind of stump a few days ago, but now, yeah, we've got some decent little fronds coming out. Smaller one of the bunch for the Dixonias that I've got in regard to frond size, but still lovely little plant. Just as we come around here, just want to show you these. So we've again added the Blechnum Braziliensis Volcano, again another one in B&M. We're taking a look at these, a lot less hardy on that side. You may have seen us speaking about that in a previous video. I've added another one of those as well, so we've got two now. I've also got this Ethereum fern. Very delicate, you know, this is going to be more of a perennial coming back every year, but nice, kind of more of a feathery form on this fern. Something, again, kind of a nice kind of differentiation between the different style of fern leaves here. Next to that, we've added another one of the hart's tongue ferns. Now these are great as well if you want that, once again, more of an evergreen style fern, something slightly different when it comes to the style of leaf compared to your normal ferns. Again, once £6.50, B&M, great little bargains for these, and you know, when they are in stock, I'd always try and pick them up. I think they're great filler plants as well. We've got the Blechnum spicant, or hard deer fern, another one, again, interesting sort of fern leaves on those coming around this way, and you can just see here this bed's kind of starting to fill in quite nicely. The lobella here has just kind of gone wild, as you can see everywhere. It's just one plant that's doing that. Another Cryptomium var caulicola, another Cryptomium fortunei. So next to that here, we've got the Polysticum neobaltum, again, another style of fern that looks very different compared to the other ferns that we've got in the area. And another one to show you here from B&M. This is your Nephophia, and as you can see, this is your papaya popsicle for £6.50. Again, a perennial, should be hardy. You want these in kind of full sun as well. Moist but well-drained soil. Should kind of come back every year. Lovely sort of flowers on these, and again, something just different, you know, not necessarily a tropical plant, but I think it fits in nicely with the tropical plants. Nadina behind it has come into flowers, you can see, so that's your heavenly bamboo. Again, B&M are selling these at the moment. Now this is just a cutting from my main plant, but with that said, if you wanted to get something like this, again, evergreen, and I have seen them in store recently, and again, it does these lovely little kind of pops of flowers when it does flower. Another one I wanted to show you as well, and very interestingly, Morrison's have these in the indoor plant section, and again, I don't understand sometimes when supermarkets, well, I guess I do understand they don't have the knowledge to kind of know how, but something like this, if you haven't seen our specific video on the pitcher plant, these are carnivorous plants. And again, I've added two more. We've had those two, which we showed you in the video. If you haven't seen that video, certainly check that out. Give you kind of a full, kind of detailed look at these plants in particular. But again, carnivorous plant, it really should have its feet wet all year, and it does need a period of dormancy. So unfortunately, I think adding it as a house plant is probably not the best, as you do need to give it that dormancy, otherwise it will die within a year or two. And just lastly, really guys, just to show you down here, you can see our Sarracenia coming out with the lovely kind of reddish tint on the fern there. You can just see Creeping Jenny has kind of exploded, coming down into the stream now. You know, again, kind of giving us that lovely kind of full look around it. And of course, we're always still kind of planting up these areas as well. Any suggestions you've got for any plants, certainly be interested to hear. As well as that, of course, you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, certainly go down in the comment section and do so. Make sure you subscribe. And as well as that, of course, if you haven't joined our channel, of course, you know, feel free to do so. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.